is for alligator. 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 B is for bear. Beep bear. Beep bear. Beep bear. Beep bear. C is for cat. Tiki cat. Tiki cat. Tiki cat. Cat. D is for dog. 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 E is for elephant. 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 F is for frog. 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 G is for goat. 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 H is for horse. 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 I is for iguana. 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 J is for jellyfish. 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 K is for kangaroo. 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 L is for lion. 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 M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for newt. Newt. O is for owl. Owl. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. Snake. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for whale. Whale. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Yak. Yak.